Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy. You can find me on Instagram at Stacy_scraps_plans_crates. And today I have an unboxing for you. This is a package from Aura Estelle. You can find them on Instagram as well. I purchased a cloud tote. I've been eyeing this thing for quite some time. She had a bundle deal and I could not help myself. I am a sucker for scallop edges. I love to use them in my planners. I've picked up a couple of planner albums, covers, things like that that have scallops on them, and this tote has scallops. Normally I do like big purses, but I like small purses too. I like all purses, and I'm not really sure how big this bag is going to be, but it's okay. A tote is meant to carry all the things, and so even if I don't use it as an everyday carry, I can use it, when we're heading out to the mall and I need to carry multiple things. I have 3 children ranging from 5 to 17. And when we have outings, I tend to have to take all the things. So we're going to open up this box today. And I may have to open it and then remove the box so that we can see the contents. All right, first up, I am seeing a big pink, very pink pouch. All right, and wow, this is bulky. Here we go. I don't know if you can see all of it. Let me see if I can zoom out a tad without exposing my messy desk. But here we go. It says Aura Estelle here on the pouch. It's a very nice soft fabric. And then here we've got the contents. So I'm going to go ahead and get the straps out of the way. I've seen many unboxings and I now understand the struggle. Like, trying to get everything in frame is just insane. Okay, so let me try to go ahead and slip this out as gracefully as I can without spilling out all the packaging, or all the contents, I should say. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it matches my nails. It's like a baby pink. It's got pebbling, is the leather. It's beautiful. It is just simply gorgeous. Okay, so contents. First things first is I think it's called a twilly. And it's basically like a silk fabric that you can wrap around the straps, and they have some tutorials of different ways that you can wrap it around. Beautiful. Okay, and you've got some care instructions, or Estelle, and then another pouch. It's like a silky pouch. I love these dust covers. I like to use these for my planner covers that are vegan leather, just to keep them kind of clean and in place. Okay, so I'm struggling a little bit to expand this for some reason. Is it tied? There we go. Oh my goodness. So this is the clutch. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So as you can see, it's a different pink. I will try to put in the description, or put up a bubble or something somewhere here of what the color is called. But here is the inside. So you've got a pin loop. You've got a full, like a credit card slot, so you've got 4 of them, and then just an opening here. You've got 2 D-rings, so if you have, you know, a chain or strap, which is in this bag, you can use it as a small, you know, purse. But it does come with a bracelet, as you can see here, same color, and gold hardware. Very pretty. All right, and then you've got some packaging. Okay, so the bundle came with the twilly scarf, the clutch. This is a credit card holder. And I was probably late to the bundle and therefore didn't get everything like matchy-matchy. So I tried to go with the colors that I knew I would use individually, but also would go together collectively. And I mean, you know, black credit card wallet, like how can you go wrong with that? Black goes with everything, right? But it does have silver hardware, silver, well, that's almost like a black metal D-ring. It's got 3 credit card slots here, fairly good opening, so like if you had cash and things like that. It does not have a zippered pocket. One of the things that I struggle with, you know, with when I purchase wallets is finding one that has like a zip closure for like coins, which I don't carry too often, but sometimes when you're paying with cash and you get the change, you sometimes get, you know, coins. So, all right, let's see. Pretty sure that's all that's in there besides filler, so we'll come back to that. This is not part of the bundle. I purchased this extra, but this is a strap for the pouch. So let's go ahead and put that on so you can see what that looks like. I really like this. This is very, it's iridescent, so it's kind of picking up that pink from the pouch. And it has the clasp, and I like that they turn around so you can make sure that you flip it. And there you go. So now it's a shoulder bag pouch, and you can fit, you know, if you're going out on a night on the town, or if you're just, you know, going someplace quick and you don't need all the belongings. I mean, you could fit a compact, a lipstick, your debit card, credit card, some cash, your phone, I'm sure fits in here perfectly. This is a really fashionable little bag for on the go. I love it. And then, you know, if you don't want it like being too noisy, you can always stick it in there and carry it like a, you know, like an underarm type clutch. I think that's what this is called, is a clutch pouch. Okay, so now for the bag itself. So the inside has, it almost looks a little bit lavender, and it's a smooth vegan leather. The hardware is silver, which is okay. I'm not like a big stickler about mixing metals, but it has a very roomy zipper pocket here. And then a little slip pocket, and you've got the key fob and silver hardware. And so this insert here, go ahead and take this out, is removable. And look at that, they've really packaged it well. Very much protected, open bottom. It's a very smooth leather. I really like the way that feels. Okay, so this is the insert that is removable. You've got a slip pocket right here, and it will fit an iPad. I've seen this in unboxings many of times. So this I have on a cover, fits in there very nicely. You've got a slip pocket here to fit things like sunglasses perfectly. You've got a little elastic band that I've seen can fit water bottles very nicely. This is a fairly good size Starbucks cup though, but it stretches out pretty nicely. Fits in there pretty good in my opinion. And then you have all this room here. So ideally you're supposed to be able to kind of take this, bring it over to your tote, slide it in there, and actually I'm gonna flip it around. Slide it in there, take your little zip pouch here and flip it over the side to kind of keep it in place, and then you can begin packing in your essentials. I like it. It is a good size. Again, you can fill it to the brim if you want, or you can fill it less and just really like carry it as a everyday bag and just put the bare minimum, you know, like your wallet, your keys, your sunglasses. Now, I live in Arizona. As of this filming, it is April. It's already 90-degree weather, and therefore I need to carry a water bottle anywhere I'm going. You want to be safe and careful and be sure that you always have water with you in case you get stranded. You do not want to be left, you know, in thirst. So there you have it. I love it. I am super impressed with the look and feel of this. I love this baby pink. The one thing that I haven't seen yet is the invoicing so that I could give you a rundown of the product that's inside. So I will put that in the description, but there you have it. I am super pleased with this purchase. I can't wait to put it to use, decide which planners I'm going to pack in there, share one that I haven't moved into. So here is the cloud keychain that I've previously purchased with the planner cover. So here is the, I think this is called the Cloud White. And I am a happy planner in case you didn't notice. And here is, you know, the cloud texture design, if you will. I use a mini happy planner and it just slides right in to the back. I can close that up and I've got plenty of room to make it as thick as I want. These are small disc. I can put classic disc on it, and again, it's going to be a perfect addition to everything else that's in there. So again, thank you for stopping by and watching this unboxing of my first Aura Estelle Cloud Tote. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you'd like to see more of my videos such as plan with me's, tips and tricks, planner hacks, sticker reviews, please subscribe, hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I do post new videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.